I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the we can't sign in into your account error in Windows 10 or in Windows 11. This error usually puts you into a temporary profile where your files and settings don't load. But don't worry, I will show you all the working solution to recover your original profile step by step. So this error appear when Windows fail to load your user profile. It may be caused by several reason. Okay, due to several reason. First is a temporary profile conflict. Second is corrupted profile files. Third is incorrect permission. Fourth is system file corruption. Fifth is sudden shutdown or crashes of your PC. So now let's fix it. First, restart your computer using the restart option from the start menu. Okay, from here just need to restart it. So you need to restart only. After restarting, it will reload your original user profile services. If it still does not work, continue to the next step. Hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and here you need to type services.msc and then hit enter from your keyboard. Okay, now from here you need to find out user profile service. Right click on it and simply you need to restart it. If it disable, you need to go to properties. In the startup tab you need to select automatic, click on apply and then click on OK. After doing this guys, you need to restart your PC compulsory. Okay, after restarting it will apply the changes. You need to restart must. Now check your problem was solved or not. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Open the file explorer on your PC, open the C drive and open your user account. If you see a folder ending with .temp, it means you are logged in into a temporary profile. So in my case the folder is not showing. In your case the folder is showing. Just right click on it and delete it. Okay, simply. After deleting, once again you need to restart your PC compulsory. After restarting, Windows will log into your original profile again. It will definitely work with you. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. This is the most important fix. Okay, press Windows key button and here you need to type regedit and then hit enter from your keyboard like this. It will open the registry editor. Now you need to extend this file path. First you need to extend H key local machine. In the local machine you need to extend software. In the software you need to extend Microsoft. Scroll down in the Microsoft, here you need to find out Windows NT folder, extend this and then you need to extend current version and then scroll down once again. In the list you can get the profile list folder, extend this like this. Now you will see several folders starting with S1521. These are your user profile registry entries. Okay, inside the profile list look for two similar subkey, one with normal name, one with .back name. Okay, so I have only the normal name. As you can see guys, normal name means 1001. You can see the entry in the end of your folder name 1001. This means this is the normal key. If you are also seeing the another key with .back extension, so this is the corrupted folder. Okay, these two are causing the profile conflict. Now you can try this method. Now you need to rename the operation. Okay, so first you need to right click on your normal key without back. Okay, rename it and at the end here you need to type .temp means temp. Okay, and then hit enter from your keyboard. Now you need to rename another key with .back name. Okay, BAK. Just in my case there is no .back folder is showing. In case in your PC the folder is showing, right click on it and then you need to rename it. Okay, just you need to delete .back name at the end of your folder and then you need to enter 1001 same as it is, you need to enter. Okay, now select the key you just renamed. In the right side find these two values, state and ref count. Okay, so the ref count value is not showing in my PC, so I will saying only state value. So just double click on it and set the value data to 0. If the ref count value is not there, you need to create it. Okay, right click in the right panel in the empty space, select new. From here you need to select the WRD 32-bit value and then you need to create a new value called REFCOUNT. Same value you need to create and then double click on it and set the value data to 0. That's it. Now Close the registry edit, restart your computer normally. Windows should now load your original profile and this error will be gone. So this is the very powerful method. You need to try this, okay, for sure. If the profile is still not loading, repair your system files. So to repair this, guys, press Windows key button and here you need to type command prompt and run this in administrator tab, and here you need to type sfc space /scan now and then hit enter from your keyboard. Restart your PC after the command was successfully executed on your command prompt. So after trying this all method, still the problem is same. You need to check your internet connection as well. You need to correct your PC laptop date and time setting. So that's it, guys. These were all the working solution to fix if you can't sign into your account issue on Windows. Try each method one by one and you will definitely recover your normal profile. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.